Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Hyundai AI Translation Smart Glasses. So you might be wondering, what is Hyundai's AI Translation Smart Glasses here? So Hyundai, specifically Hyundai HY6A AI Translation Smart Glasses, are Bluetooth smart glasses that combines real-time language translation, wireless audio, phone calls, voice recording, and AI-powered communication features into a wearable pair of glasses. Now, according to the official product page here, and some information I give you on some listings, they support over 115 languages, Bluetooth 5.4 connectivity, and up to 5 to 6 hours of talk or music playback on a single charge. According to the manufacturer here, the glasses work by connecting to your smartphone through a companion app, and once connected, the app processes spoken language and provides real-time AI translation. While the glasses play the translated audio through their built-in speakers, they also support speaker recognition, voice recording, audio and video call transcription, and multiple translation modes, including AI dialogues, binaural translation, simultaneous interpretation, and phone translation mode. How to exactly use HYC8 glasses here? Now, you first need to charge them using the included USB-C cable since they need power. Then download the companion app and pair the glasses with your smartphone via Bluetooth. Open the app, select your source and target language, choose the translation mode you want to use, and begin speaking naturally. The glasses can also use for listening to music, answering calls, and recording conversations through the app. Yeah, the website here lists the HYC8 AI Smart Glasses app promotional prices like 91.90 euros, reduced from the original 110.99. The package includes the glasses, USB-C card charging cables, and a user manual. Price and promotions may change over time or when depending on what website you're buying it from. And that's essentially how the Hyundai HYC8 AI Translation Smart Glasses work. Now, if you're interested with this specific glasses here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision here. And this actually applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. For this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.